Welcome to Niracha Polytechnic. I am Sima Raut, part of General Science Department. Subject Engineering Mathematics 1. So, chapter number is 3. Chapter name is Two-Dimensional Coordinate Geometry. So, today we will discuss about external division formula, or you can say that external section formula. The coordinates of the point R be any point, random point, which is out of AB line, means A point and B point is given, AB line segment, out of AB line segment, that means external point. So, coordinate of the point R, x, y is the coordinate. We don't know what is the coordinate of R, so we just write down x, y randomly, which divides the line segment join. A point is x1, y1, B point is x2, y2. Externally in ratio AR is to BR equals to M is to N. Let's see, here A point, here B point, and R is the external point from AB line. So, here R is the here, let it be x, y. We don't know what is the coordinate of x and y. R coordinate, and what are given here, AR is to BR equals to M is to N. That means AR is to BR equals to M is to N. So, let's see what is the R coordinates. So, x coordinate must be, these are similar to internal section formula or internal division formula. Only thing is that there in internal section formula there is addition and here subtraction. mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n, this is the x coordinate. my2 minus ny1 by m minus n, this is the y coordinate. So, this is the coordinate of the external point which is divided AB line segment externally into m is to n ratio. X coordinate is mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n. Y coordinate is my2 minus ny1 by m minus n. So, let's see, for example, find the coordinates of the point which divide externally the line joining 1 minus 3 minus 3 9 in the ratio of 1 is to 3. Let's see, A point is 1 minus 3, B point is minus 3 9, and R is the another point which is external point which is divided AB line into divided by externally into 1 is to 3 ratio. That means M is to M is 1 and N is 3. So, here let A point is 1 minus 3, B point is minus 3 9 be the 2 points, and let R be the external point which divide the line segment AB. That means R coordinate related to be xy. So, we know that what is the external section formula or external division formula. X coordinate must be mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n. That means m is 1, x2 is minus 3 minus n is 3, x1 is 1 by m minus n, means 1 minus 3. What we get now, minus 6 by minus 2, that means 3. And another coordinate is y coordinate, 1 mx2 n my2 minus ny1 by m minus n. That means m is 1 here, y2 is 9 minus n is 3, y1 is minus 3 by 1 minus 3 means m minus n. What we get now, 18 by minus 2, that means minus 9. So, that means the coordinates of the external point is 3 minus 9. R point coordinate is 3 minus 9. Let's see. Area of a triangle. So, let's see, here a triangle is there, two-dimensional triangle. A is a point x1, y1, B is a point x2, y2, C is a point x3, y3. And how to find out area of a triangle? So, what is the formula? Half into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 x3 y1 minus y2 square units. Because this is area, so we should write down square units, meter square, centimeter square, kilometer square, whatever the units. So, this is a square units, and we can find out this formula also in determinate format. How to find out? This is very easy format. Half determinant of x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1 square units. So, we can find out in this formula also area of a triangle ABC. Notice that area cannot be negative value. Similar to distance never be negative value. In this way, area cannot be negative value. Area of a triangle is 0 square unit and the vertices of a triangle are collinear. If the area of a triangle is 0 square unit, if the area we find out 0, that means the vertices, the three vertices of the triangle must be on a one line. That means lies on a line, collinear. That is called as collinear. If you prove that the area of a triangle is 0, then that means what? Vertices, the three vertices of the triangle must be collinear. Collinear means lies on a one line. For example, if the area of a triangle with vertices 0, 0, 1, 0, 0a is 10 square units, find the value of a. So, a point is given, x1, y1 is given, x1 is 0, y1 is 0. B point is given, that means B vertex is given, that means x2 is 1 and y2 is 0. And C point is given, that means C vertex is given of the triangle, so x3 is 0 and y3 is a. Are the points of the triangle ABC. Given area of a triangle ABC equals to 10 square units. So, what is the formula? We know that the first formula we just find out half x1 y2 minus y3, y2 is 0, y3 is a, plus x2 y3 minus y1, y3 is a minus y1 is 0, plus x3 y1 minus y2, y1 is 0, y2 is 0, equals to 10 square units. So, we just find out 10 value. So, what do we get now? This values is a by 2 equals to 10, that means a equals to 20. 2 multiply with 10, what we get? 20. That means the value of a is 20. Let's see. Centroid of a triangle. Centroid of a triangle ABC. What is the centroid formula? You just see that this figure A point, B point, C point is given of a triangle. Then, yes, what do you mean centroid? We just first of all find out midpoint of the three sides. AB side midpoint, BC side midpoint and AC side midpoint. Then, you just join midpoint with the opposite vertex. So, what we get? This is called as median. These are called as median. This is also median. The three medians is there. In a triangle, three medians is there. If three medians touching or intersecting at one point, this is called as concurrent point. This is called as centroid. This point is called as centroid. And every median divided by the centroid by 2:1 ratio. Every median divided by the centroid with a 2:1 ratio. So let's see what should be the centroid coordinate. X coordinate is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 and y coordinate is y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Let's see. Example, find the centroid of a triangle with vertex 1, 4, 3, 1, 1, 2. There are three vertexes given. x1 is 1, y1 is 4, x2 is 3, y1 is 1, x3 is 1, y1, y3 is 2. So, three vertex of triangle ABC. Centroid of ABC, what we get? x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. We just put down who is x1, 1, who is x2, 3, who is x3, 1. Just put down. And who is y1, 4, who is y2, 1, who is y3, 2 by 3. What we get? 5 by 3, 7 by 3. So, what should be the centroid coordinate? 5 by 3. 7 by 3. X coordinate is 5 by 3 and this is y coordinate is 7 by 3. So, next video we talk about the slope of a line. So, have a good day. Thank you.